How does an EQMS fundamentally improve regulatory compliance compared to paper files?
Okay. Uh, yeah, as compared to paper-based approach, here it enforces predefined digital workflows because uh, in EQMS, we are going to define the workflow and we are going to restrict the actions via role-based permissions. So as I've discussed earlier, RBAC is going to be in place, role-based access controls. That is what we call it as user privileges in our pharma terminology. So here, specific user is going to work on the specific task. So here, restriction of role-based permissions, okay, and we are enforcing predefined digital workflows, and we are going to maintain unalterable automated audit trails. Okay, so the impact of EQMS improves regulatory compliance and enhances operational compliance, and then uh, it increases operational efficiency, enhances compliance, and reduces human errors.
Uh, Actually, sir, come to our second question. They asking like, what is the direct impact on audit readiness? It's a direct question they have just asked.
Acha, okay. Uh, It enables a paperless real-time data retrieval on a single screen. So during audits, it will be very easy to explain to the auditors, showcase to the inspectors, and data retrievability is very easy. Data can be tracked or documents can be tracked at a faster pace, and then the users across the functions, especially quality team, will be at comfort zone because it enables paperless real-time data retrieval on a single screen and replacing stressful searches through physical binders. For suppose there are multiple records, it is very difficult to search them as and when auditor or inspector is asking questions. So the traceability of data from multiple places is going to be a challenge. But if it is available in EQMS, straight away they can showcase, and including audit trails, they can demonstrate. That builds trust in the eyes of the inspector or auditor. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
our
Kiran, any
next
other
question,
question? Yeah.
actually, I'm selecting some few questions. So here is the interesting question. How does an EQMS accelerate the resolution of quality events like CAPAs, CAPAS?
Yeah. So corrective and preventive actions, if handled manually, because of the different events which have been triggered, like deviation, complaint, change control, or audit observation, manually it is a Herculean task. So here, because of automation feature which is available in EQMS, automated task assignments to the respective users where the man movement can be avoided. And active alerts, pop-ups, mail notifications, and all these things will enable users to review and clear the document from their desk. So it will be very fast. And deadline tracking can eliminate communication bottlenecks. Manually or orally, if I need to communicate to every user in every department, 7 departments, and there will be almost 150 users, for example, for a medium-based company. So whoever is initiating any quality management system element like deviation, change control, CAPA, compliant, risk assessment, anything. So it kills a lot of time. But here deadlines can be monitored, tracked, and automatic alerts are going to be cropped up, and pop-ups, alerts, mail alerts, so that we can eliminate unnecessary communication bottlenecks and ensure timely sign-offs. If I'm an initiator, I will initiate and send for my department head a review. The moment he reviews, it goes to cross-functional teams. Then it comes to you as a QA head, example. So in this case, the review and approval process will be very fast because there will not be any miscommunication. Everything is routed through EQMS. Yeah.
Nice. Okay, sir. This is the last question. We can take like, where do the primary cost savings and ROI come from?
Yeah. Okay. Uh, if you say ROI, return on investment, for suppose you have a team of 50 employees. Okay, example. And almost 40 employees are working on manual approach for QMS only. Example. So if you take EQMS, the manual workload can be reduced. And when people are doing the activities, there are multiple chances of errors, data integrity issues, and delays in reviewing the documents. There are a lot of problems and challenges. Okay, but if you plan for HMS, that it will reduce the overall cost, administrative overheads. Okay, for suppose 20, I mean, as I mentioned, 40 people are working. Now, with the 25 people, you can complete the task with the compliance, and time can be saved, cost can be saved, okay, and human errors can be reduced. Like reduced administrative overheads, very few procedural errors, faster issue tracking. So, where my change control is lying, whether it is at a HOD level or a QA head level, or it is approved but still action items are not initiated. So we can identify and we can track the issues at a faster pace. And then finally, optimum utilization of resources can be planned. So if manpower cost is saved, it is saving to the company. If administrative overheads are reduced, that is really good to the company. If errors are prone because of human approach, here EQMS, it moves at a faster pace. So time is saved, money is saved, and resources are saved. That is how they are going to get the benefit. Thank you.
Thank you, Chakrapani sir, for the insightful session and engaging Q&A. Your expertise greatly enriched our understanding. Hope our participants also have enjoyed throughout the session.
Watch the full video on our website. Click the link in the description to get started.